Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear suggested searches on Instagram. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. And now let's begin our tutorial. So first, you will be needing to open your Instagram app. After that, you will be needing to simply go to your discovery or search bar so we can be able to clear all our searches. So there isn't some direct way to really clear or to disable these searching bars. So here I'm just going to search for anyone, uh, someone, and let's just choose this one for example. We can have anything, and from here we will have this search that has been added to our search suggestion. So here we need just to go to see all, and after that we want to click on clear all. By that you will have your suggestions, as you can see, that will be clear and you won't be able to find anything on the search. And now each time you are adding another searching result, it will be just added to your history and you will be needing to delete it. Now we can also go to our profile, go to the menu or the settings and activity, and you can also have some things that you can do. For example, you can just go to your preferences and then you can deactivate some kind of preferences. Also, you will be able to do the same operation from your activity. So if we go to how you use Instagram section, you go to your activity and we go down, we will find recent searches. And from here, you will be able to delete all your searches. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.